Hello and welcome back. Let's dive into everything this course has in store for you. So we will kick things off with introduction. We're going to discuss why moving beyond the default Selenium library is beneficial. Then we will explore what Selenium Base is and how it stands out compared to the standard Selenium library. Following that, we'll see how PyTest works in tandem with Selenium Base. After laying the groundwork, we will jump into setting up our environment. We'll start by installing Python and setting up PyCharm, covering both macOS and Windows systems. We will discuss the importance of virtual environment and get everything ready to install Selenium Base. Then comes the exciting part, which is writing our first test. We'll get grips with the test syntax, understand how it operates and how it differs from Selenium. We'll intentionally fail a test to examine the assertions and error logs. Early on, we will push our changes to GitHub, which is crucial for tracking progress in your projects. As we become adept to crafting basic tests, we'll dive into Selenium Base commands. We'll cover range of assertions provided by Selenium Base and PyTest, followed by a deep dive into wait commands, including the commonly used implicit and explicit waits. Next, we'll tackle different web elements like sliders, dropdowns, checkbox, iframes, and more. We will also learn to open and interact with new tabs. From there, we will discover how to upload files, both individually and in batches. We'll explore how to manage file paths effectively for file uploads. As we grow comfortable with testing, we'll start building our framework, beginning with the page object model, converting existing tests and setting up a config file. We'll also integrate linter and file formatter into our framework. Then we're going to move on to some advanced topics. That is how you can go ahead and optimize your framework. We will do that by using hooks, data-driven tests, and utility files. We'll refine our test as well as our framework. We will also learn how to execute tests selectively, focusing on specific groups or excluding others as needed. Then, as part of our advanced concept, we're going to take a look at how we can scale the framework. This is where we will embrace parallel testing, cross-browser testing, and headless runs to enhance speed and efficiency. Then we're going to move on to debugging. This is where we're going to cover the basics and learn about PDB trace mode before moving on to more advanced techniques such as with PyCharm debugger. Then we will take a look at how to review and generate insightful reports, including Selenium-based auto-generated logs and dashboards. Additionally, we will also see how we can combine PyTest HTML reports with the Selenium-based dashboard. So in the course final stages, we'll integrate our test with CI tools like GitHub Actions, we'll set up linters and formatters, as well as generate report artifacts, all of that as part of our CI pipeline. Then we will bring browser stack into the mix for cross-browser testing as well as cross-device testing. And to tie all of it together, we're going to integrate GitHub Actions with browser stack for a seamless end-to-end testing run. As you can tell, we have a lot to cover over here. But rest assured, throughout this course, I will be here to provide personal support whenever you need it, ensuring you get the most out of your learning experience. I hope you're excited to start this journey as I am. Let's dive into our next video and begin.